Hello students, today we are going to do some word problems of exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number be x. She thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So x minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result by 8. She multiplies the result by 8. It is important to put this in a bracket. Because if you will not do that, either you will end up multiplying 8 only with the x or only with the minus 5 by 2. So it is important that you keep it in bracket and then multiply the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So she thought of x. The result is 3 times this x. So the result is equal to 3x. Now we are going to multiply 8 with x, 8x. 8 with minus 5 by 2, that is 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Here 2 and 8 I can cancel, 2 4s are. Or I have 8x, 3x goes there, becomes minus 3x. Minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20. This is equal to 0. Or I can say 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So the number was 4. Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. So let the numbers be x and 5x. Why? Because it's given a positive number is 5 times another number. तो अगर हम एक को x लेंगे तो हम दूसरे को उसका 5 times 5x लेंगे. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers, see definitely x and 5x में 5x बड़ा है. अगर हम दोनों में 21 ऐड करते हैं, then one of the new numbers is twice the other number. Definitely बड़ा वाला number 5x plus 21 होगा. So if we add 5x plus 21, and on the other side we are adding x plus 21, it is given that one of the new numbers is twice the other number. So ये बड़ा number है, तो this must be 2 times the smaller number. Solving it, 5x plus 21 is equal to, here 2 has to multiply with x also and 21 also, which is 2x plus 42. Taking x terms together, 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. Or we can say 3x is equal to 21, or x is equal to 21 divided by 3, which is 7. So if one number is 7, the other number is 5x, which means 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. So these are our two numbers. Sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it's found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. For a 2-digit number, let's say, let the number at tens place be x and ones place. See, the sum of digits is given as 9. तो अगर tens place पे number x है, उसका और next digit का sum 9 है, तो हम दूसरे number को 9 minus x लिख सकते हैं. So number at tens place, if we take it as x, then the number at ones place will be 9 minus x. किसी भी number को लिखने के लिए हम कैसे लिखते हैं? Suppose the number is 23. So I don't write it as 2 plus 3. I write it as 2 into 10 plus 3. टेंस प्लेस वाले नंबर को हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और वंस प्लेस वाले नंबर को हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं टू राइट द नंबर. सो द नंबर विल बी इक्वल टू टेंस प्लेस पे x है मीन्स 10 इंटू एक्स प्लस वंस प्लेस पे 9 माइनस एक्स है तो 9 माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 which will be 9 minus x only. So this gives me the number as 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. When we interchange the digits, it's found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So now we are going to interchange digits. Interchange digits का मतलब ये होता है कि जो टेंस प्लेस पे है उसे वंस प्लेस पे रख दिया और जो वंस प्लेस पे है उसे टेंस प्लेस पे रख दिया. सो द न्यू नंबर दिस इज गोइंग टू बी, अब टेंस प्लेस पे 9 माइनस एक्स आ गया सो 10 इंटू 9 माइनस एक्स प्लस वंस प्लेस पे एक्स आ गया सो 1 इंटू एक्स. सो द न्यू नंबर इज 10 इंटू 9 90 माइनस 10x प्लस x. This can be written as 90 minus 9x. Now it is given that the new number is greater than the original number by 27. So either you can do new number minus old number is 27 क्योंकि new number बड़ा है. कितना बड़ा है? 27. So I can write 90 minus 9x minus the old number. So whenever you are writing two terms in a number, like in these questions, you have to write it in a bracket. Otherwise, we will end up doing some mistakes. So the old number 9x plus 9, it has to be kept in a bracket. This difference is equal to 27. Now opening the brackets, there is a minus sign before the bracket, so 9x will become minus 9x and 9 will become minus 9. This is 27. 90 minus 9, that is 81, minus 9x minus 9x, that is 18x, is equal to 27. Or we can write 81 minus 27 is equal to 18x. We can say 54 is equal to 18x. Or x is equal to, here 18 is in multiplication, it will go and get divided by from 54. So x is equal to 54 by 18, which will give you the answer as 3. So x is 3, 9 minus x is definitely going to be 9 minus 3, which is your 6. The original number has x at the tens place and 9 minus x at the ones place. So the original number was 36 and when the number was interchanged it became 63. So the original number or the answer is 36. Question number 4. One of the two digits of two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of its two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So as I told you that a two-digit number, we have to take one digit at the ones place and the other digit at the tens place. So let the number at tens place be x. Now in this case it is given that the other is 3x. So at ones place be 3x. So the number will become, we multiply the 10 with the number at tens place plus 1 with the number at ones place, which will be 3x into 1. So this is the number which is equal to 4x plus 10. Sorry, my mistake. So the number is 10x plus 3x, which is equal to 13x. Now if you interchange the position of the ones and tens place, that means Number at 1's place will now become x and 10's place will become 3x. So the new number or the interchanged number will be 10 into 3x plus x into 1. This will come 30x plus x, which is 31x. It is given that the sum of the old and the new number, that is equal to 88. 13x plus 31x, 44x is equal to 88, or x is equal to 88 by 44, which is 2. So we got our tens place. The other number is 3x. 3 into 2, that is 6. So the original number was 26. Question number 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So let the present age of Shobo be x. And the mother's age is 6 times that. So, and mother's age is equal to 6x. Now after 5 years, दोनों की एज में 5 ऐड हो जाएगा. So Shobo's age after 5 years, this will become x plus 5, and the mother's age, okay, now it is given that Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So this x plus 5 is 1/3 of the mother's present age, which is 6x. So this is our equation. This 3 and 6 we can cancel. 3 2s are 6. X plus 5 is equal to 2x. Taking the x terms together, 5 is equal to 2x minus x, or x is equal to 5. So Shobo's present age is 5 years, and the mother's age, that is equal to 6x, which is equal to 6 into 5, that is 30 years. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.